One of the series of light bars that I managed to capture one night, the event went on for about 15 minutes and it was a particularly close encounter. That sounds a bit odd, but the light bars were very close to where I was filming and they made no attempt to move anywhere, but they were engaged in an activity that involved this particular beautiful neon blue light bar and this orb that you can see here. It would appear that the light bar absorbs the orb, and this went on continuously for about 15 minutes. They would be together engaged in some form of almost intimate activity, for want of a better word, and then the orb would expel itself out of the light bar and be just above it or beneath it, and then they would continue to reenact this over and over again. If you look closely, the light bar appears to almost have some density in the inside of it. I can't see through it to the other side, so there's something in it, and that's obviously the orb at the bottom. Someone has suggested initially, could they be plasma? I don't know. Could they be? There's a strong possibility. There's something anyhow. They exist. They're not figments of imagination, and they're not lens flare. Just another one in the sequence. They moved around the branches and the leaves. I don't know whether it was for the purpose of camouflage, I was going to say, but they're particularly not camouflaged, as you can see. And you can see how dark it is in the background. There's no lights coming from behind. He almost appears to have an inner depth in the body part there. And yet another example shows us that in fact that it is relatively transparent, because there it is in front of a leaf. And there is the orb. So they're still totally engaged with each other. They never separated really any further than that in distance.